81 and 82 of Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer. Okay, so post the video, try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. So number 81, if 12 workers can finish a project in 15 days, how many days will 18 workers take to finish the same project? Okay? So kapag ganitong type ng problem, variation ito, kailangan i-analyze muna natin kung ito ba ay direct or inverse. So paano natin malaman kung variation? Tingnan lang natin, magka-pair kasi ito, no? So 12 workers can finish a project in 15 days. So ito yung first pair, lagay lang natin sa table W for workers, and then we have 12 workers can finish a project in 15 days. So D for days, 15 days. Then meron pang isang pair, how many days? Tinatanong yung days, lagyan natin ng N. Will 18 workers take to finish the same project? Ayan, same project. So i-analyze lang natin kung yan ay direct variation or inverse. Paano ba malalaman kung kapag direct, same dapat pag nag-increase, parehas increasing dapat or parehas decreasing. Kapag inverse, syempre, baligtaran. Isang increasing, isang decreasing, or baligtad, yung isa decreasing, yung isa increasing. So, kung mapapansin natin itong workers natin from 12 naging 18. Kaya yung arrow natin, ayan, pataas, dumami. From 12 naging 18. Ang tanong, anong magiging epekto niya sa number of days? Tataas ba yan or bababa? Kung medyo nalito kayong i-analyze, tingin kayo sa choices. Ang mga choices, 8, 10, 12, 15. Di ba lahat yon mababa sa 15? Bukod sa letter D, same 15. So, ibig sabihin, malinaw, ito ay inverse variation. Kasi yung arrow natin, yung 12 dumami, yung 15 umunti base sa mga choices. At saka ito ay work problem. Siyempre sa work problem, kapag dumami yung workers, 12 yung nagtatrabaho, naging 18. Tapos same project. Same project, so ibig sabihin nun, uunti yung days kasi nga dumami yung magtatrabaho. Okay? So ang formula sa inverse variation, so ito ay inverse variation, ang formula sa inverse variation, imumultiply lang natin yung magka-partner na number. 12, i-multiply natin sa number of days, 15. So ang formula natin, 12 times 15 equals dun sa second pair natin, 18 times n. And then just solve for n. To solve for n, divide lang natin both sides by 18. Huwag nating imumultiply agad yung 12 at 15 kasi lalaki yung number, mas hihirap. So ang uunahin natin yung divide. So pwede nating i-lowest term itong 12 at 18, pwede rin itong 15 at 18. Okay? So 12 and 18, pwedeng i-divide pareha sa 6. Divided by 6, so 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6, that is 3. Tapos itong 15 at 3, pwedeng i-divide parehas sa 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Bali wala na tong 1. So i-multiply na lang natin itong 2 at 5. Yan na yung magiging value ng n natin, yung hinahanap natin na number of days. 2 times 5 equals 10. So kapag dumami yung workers from 12 naging 18, yung number of days bababa from 15 magiging 10. The answer is letter B. Okay, so next number 82. So solve for x lang ito. If 5x minus 4 equals 2 times quantity x plus 10 plus 3, find x. So solve lang natin yung x. Dalawa yung x, no? May 5x tas may x pa dito. So kailangan pagsamahin natin yan. Pag-isahin natin, i-distribute muna natin itong 2. 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times 10, positive 10, we have positive 20, and then plus 3. O just copy 5x minus 4. Pwede natin pagsamahin ito. Positive 20 plus 3. So magiging na lang siyang 23. Okay? So 2x plus 23 and then 5x minus 4. Pagsamahin natin yung dalawang x. 5x tsaka 2x. Yung mas maliit na number, yun ang dadali natin sa kabila para maiwasan natin yung negative sign. Okay? So subtract 2x to both sides. Subtract 2x to both sides. So cancel na to. 0 na yan. 5x minus 2x. We have 3x minus 4 is equal to 23. Ayan, 2 steps na lang. Kailangan x ang matira. Tanggalin natin si negative 4 tsaka si times 3. So opposite of negative 4, positive 4. So add 4 to both sides. So 0 na ito. 3x is equal to 23 plus 4. That is equal to 27. And then last step, para matanggal yung 3, divide both sides by 3. So therefore, ang value ng x ay 27 divided by 3. The answer is 9, letter C. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya. 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.